behind the line in 3, 2, 1, rush!
26-43, straight into the auto zone. Followed by the line partners, 10-72, driving straight forward at full power again. They drop that recycling container right towards the center. 118 on the meanwhile, on the other side, they got 1 second left, dropping it off in that autonomous zone right there in the middle. And that's autonomous points for the Red Alliance. Lots of action in that autonomous period. Those 3 autonomous totes there in the Red Alliance side dropped off in the right zone all in the autonomous period worth 20 extra bonus points. 118 already with 3 totes and a recycling container in their machine. No one's stopping them now. 5507. The loader loading up some litter into that recycling container. There's another full recycling container in the possession of their teammate, 1072. Those recycling containers just looking for a home on top of the tote stack now. 118, they're dropping off a stack of 6 totes, 1 empty recycling container. And that's worth 36 points. Having an additional pool noodle or litter top inside of that bin would make the stack worth 42 points. So that's the difference between having the litter or not having the litter. 118 now with all 3 cooperative totes, dropping it off in the center along with the one that's already there. Ref counts it off. It's there for 3 seconds and it's good. That's a 40-point bonus for both teams. Over on the blue now, 26-43. They've got a stack of 3. That stack is going to be waiting for it to be capped with one of those recycling containers with a pool noodle. If one of that container gets topped with a recycling container, that'll make it worth 24 points instead of only 6. 1072 now, they've got another stack of 3 that are ready to place on that step. 118 Robonauts, they've got another stack of 6 with another recycling container on top. Again, 36 points if it stays, and it looks good to me. 5507, they've got a recycling container with a pool noodle. Taking that stack of 3, it was worth 6 points, now it's worth 24. Their alliance partners, 1072, trying to do the same with that other stack of 3, but they want to be careful not to knock it over in the next 16 seconds. That's how much we have left in match number 47. Just 10 seconds now. 1072, trying to line up. And if they drop that container, it's worth 24 points on the Blue Alliance. 118 working on another stack. They got 1 more second remaining, trying to let go. Not quite in time. Still 2 tall stacks on the red, 2 medium stacks on the blue. Lots of pool noodles on the blue. Those are actually worth points. If they are inside that landfill zone, they can be worth points for the Blue Alliance. So having that many pool noodles there can make a difference in your score. That's the end of match number 47. We'll have your scores shortly. We have our scores from match number 47. With a score of 149, the Red Alliance and Blue Alliance not far behind with a score of 107. Of course, that 40-point bonus did a lot for both teams. Again, these high-scoring matches, all the teams that participated increased their average score and moved up in the rankings. The Iron Panthers.
Their alliance partners, 44.98.
Team X.
And rounding it off with 2.53.
Mills Robotics Team.
Over on the Blue Alliance, we have 46.43.
Thunderbird Robotics.
Their alliance partners, 32.57.
Vortex.
And capping it off with 45.43.
The Illuminators.
Wow,
That's the team you're on.